Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog with my 100,000 mile Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. That's right, a couple of months ago the odometer officially crossed over 100,000 miles. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and motivate me to tell you more stories about this amazing car. A quick shout out and thank you to those who have over the past couple of weeks. I appreciate you. And I'm now at over 106,000 miles. I bought this car with 6,000 miles on the odometer, and that means I've put 100,000 miles on this car by myself, so a huge achievement. I don't think I could have asked for a better experience with a car like this so far. I've had my complaints, which you can see in my previous videos, but it's been such a blast and so much fun to own this car. To celebrate 100,000 miles, I took this car on a road trip to Seattle and back, which was over 20, or just almost shy of, it was shy of 2,700 miles. And I'll show you some highlights of that road trip now. All in all, the car was very comfortable. It didn't skip a beat. I got decent fuel mileage. I think I got about 25 miles to the gallon on average, which isn't bad after 2,700 miles. I spent a little over $400 in gas. The car was faultless, comfortable, you know, fast when it needed to be. It was safe. It carried me, my wife, and my son and all our stuff. And it was a really fun experience, honestly, driving this car over all the way to Seattle and back, and I'm grateful that I got to have that experience. And of course, I'm thankful I get to share it with all of you, and I hope you enjoyed that quick highlight reel. Also recently, I took the car to Arizona on a nearly 1,000 mile road trip, and it also didn't skip a beat and I had no issues. I actually picked up a nail before that trip, and I got that tire patched up right before that without any issues, so it was fine. Also, a couple weeks ago, I got to take this car for the first time, and it was my first time at Big Willow at Willow Springs Raceway. Thank you to Turn 8 for that experience, of course, and it's always a pleasure to work with them, and I'm glad I got to experience that track for a little bit with this car. I didn't push that hard, knowing that I still have that minor blue smoke issue on startup. The problem hasn't gotten worse, but you know, I just wanted to play it safe. Otherwise, the car was flawless once again, and I had a lot of fun. Here's a highlight of driving Big Willow. Some noteworthy things about this car now that I've put 100,000 miles on it myself. I'm on the original turbos. I have the original front splitter on still with all its cracks, scratches, and stone pits. It actually has a lot now, but that's okay. It still functions and it works just fine and it looks decent. The car still has the original high pressure fuel pumps. I'm on the original transmission. I'm on the original rear torque vectoring differential. I don't know why I said rear. There's only one differential in the back since it's rear wheel drive. It is not all-wheel drive. But yeah, I get questions like that a lot in the comments on previous videos. So those are some noteworthy original parts on the car still. Anyway, I think it's honestly I'm a little surprised I've made it this far. I knew it would be fun to drive, and I don't think it would. When I first bought the car, I didn't think it would be a complete disaster in owning it. But wow, I can't believe how far I've come so far, and I'm looking forward to even more miles. I have service due very soon, actually, in a couple hundred miles, and I'll be doing that in a couple weeks with Madness Auto Works. So I will report back if there are any findings from that service. So thank you again for watching. Thank you again for joining me on this journey. And once again, if you like what you're watching, please do subscribe. It helps a lot. And I'm looking forward to the next one with all of you. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.